Jasmy is moving exactly like I had told you in my past couple of videos, and in this one I'm going to be explaining you the next possible move for Jasmy. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Jasmy once again because I believe that a rally towards the upside is coming, and right now we are just seeing a bit of a stop, but we are going to be pushing towards the upside really soon. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmy, and for those of you who are new, I just want to explain that I personally believe this price point right over here was the bear market low for Jasmy. Now this came in at a price of about 0.0027. Once we reached this price level, we started forming this massive Elliott wave structure towards the upside. So we pumped up in our wave number 1, which gave us returns of about 203%. However guys, you can see that we formed double top pattern right over here, and this resulted in Jasmy falling in price, and it dropped by nearly about 63%, which is actually really crazy. Now guys, in my past couple of videos I had mentioned to you all that one of the most important support areas for Jasmy is this gray line right over here, which is also the bear market low at a price of about 0.0028. Now if we zoom in on the charts, you will be able to see that even though we saw this severe drop for Jasmy towards the downside, we saw an immediate reversal towards the upside once Jasmy got close to this gray line right over here. Now this is some really good news for the short-term investors out there because this basically tells us that as of this moment, Jasmy is holding the support level and people are buying when the price is coming to these levels right over here. Now in the past couple of days, as you can see, we got a rally of about 30 to 40%, which is really good to see for Jasmy in the shorter time frames. So for all those short-term traders out there, I'm guessing you guys made some quick buck, which is really good to see as well. Now guys, the most important support area or resistance level for Jasmy is this gray line right over here at a price of about 0.0041. Now if we cross above this gray line, I do expect some higher prices for Jasmy, and we are going to be retesting this level right over here at a price of about 0.0049. Now if we calculate from the current price points, you will be able to see that that is about a 30% move towards the upside, and I believe this is really achievable for Jasmy in the shorter time frames because as you can see in the past couple of days we have seen a rally of about 30%. So for Jasmy to pump another 30%, I personally believe that is really achievable in the shorter time frames. And yeah, if I show you all the MACD and the RSI indicators, you will be able to see that the MACD has got a bullish crossover, which is very bullish news for the short-term investors out there. Also, in my past couple of videos, I had mentioned to you all that even though Jasmy was dropping in price, we were not really getting selling pressure as we were expecting Jasmy to get. So this basically shows us that even though Jasmy was falling, and the primary reason why we were falling was because the entire crypto markets were falling. So whether that might be Ethereum, whether that might be Bitcoin, everything was dropping. So that is one of the reasons why we saw altcoins drop as well. And as you can see, the selling pressure as compared to the last selling pressure is just a fraction of what we got. Now this is really good news for the short-term investors, and as you can see, we have now flipped towards the bullish side and we are getting some good buying pressure, and the buying pressure is slowly increasing, which is very good to see as well. By the way guys, if you want to make some serious money with crypto, make sure you guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now guys, just yesterday we closed 2 of our trades, and as you can see, we are profitable on both of them. On one of the trades, we got a profit of 238%, while on other, we got a profit of 294%. Now, in my trade signal group, I post my personal trade setup so that you guys can know exactly when I'm entering a trade, what type of token I'm trading, what leverage I'm using, the risk factor involved, what type of position I'm taking, and much more good stuff. I also mentioned the entry prices where you guys should be entering the trade at, and the targets, or say the take profit levels where you guys should be taking your profits at. As you can see, we took this trade on 16th, and in just a matter of 2 days, we closed a profit of about 500% combined on both of these trades. This is not the first time which we have done that. As you can see, we closed profits of 380%, 131%, and the list goes on and on. Now guys, if you join my trade signal group, you will also be getting access to my crypto trading bot, which will completely automate all the trading for you. Now, as of this moment, I'm testing my bot to make sure it's the best possible bot out there. And this is one of the results which I have been able to achieve with my bot in the shorter time frames. As you can see, we got a pump, or say gains of about 94%. Now this was completely automated, so we did not really have to do any sort of thing, and you as an investor just have to put money, and this bot will keep on making money for you. I personally think this is very good for the longer time frames as well as the shorter time frames as well. So yeah guys, if you want to join my trade signal group, the link to it will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month, but I personally think that even if you start with about $50 within my group and you just take about 1 or 2 trades, you guys are going to be making back your money in an instant, and then you can continue to multiply your portfolio by 5x, 10x, 20x, 30x, or even crazier numbers. So if this sounds interesting to you, you already know the link to my trade signal group will be down in the description. As always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.